The Food Service Exchange presents.
My name is John Tassoulis. I'm the executive chef at Port Carling Golf and Country Club. We're located in the heart of Muskoka in Port Carling. Port Carling Golf and Country Club is spread out on almost 300 acres. It's a private club, which gives you a unique taste of what they have to offer up here. We have a lot of members here from Toronto, across Canada, and Europe. We have a one-on-one relationship with every one of our members. That personal touch, that personal greeting every morning, every day, every afternoon is what makes us different from everywhere else. From the time you step foot on the property until you leave, everything in between, whether it's the golf, whether it's the food and beverage, everything matters. Seeing the smiles of these people on their faces, making sure they're happy, and that's what it's all about. I love my Crown Verity because it can handle any situation. We've had the Crown Verity here for 7 years. 7 years of running it for 6 months straight at a time. The club opens up, I have to be ready. It runs straight through the day at a high temperature, never had a problem. Whether I'm using it for 100 people, whether I'm using it for 2 people, it gives me that consistent heat that doesn't let me down. It keeps going and going and going. I've seen and had a lot of consumer barbecues myself. They're all right for 6 months. Like, I rely on my staff, I rely on my product, I also need to rely on the equipment that I use. Crown Verity has come through over and over for me. It's reliable, and it lasts, and it's something that gets passed down from generation to generation. Any commercial establishment that uses barbecues, Crown Verity is a necessity. It's a tool every chef needs.